But how does that apply to marketing, right? Sometimes we may be too busy with presenting what we do, aka telling our story, telling about the benefits about what we do, but we're not listening. We're not listening to what people are actually trying to say. We're not listening to what the masses are talking about, our audience. We don't take the time to listen as marketers a lot of the time. I was on a call earlier today. They would look into their analytics and see that they have a video that does okay. So you get people to engage and they watch your video for 5 seconds, and you get two more videos that people watch for 15 seconds, and you go, well, see, what had happened was I don't really know what to do in my next one. Here's the thing, when your audience shows you that, okay, you look into your more data on TikTok and you look into your analytics, and I'm not saying get imprisoned by analytics. No, no, no. Come back. Come back. Come back. You do that once a week. You go through the videos in the week and you see which videos retained more people. So if you had a video that had people watch for 5 seconds, and you had other videos where people watch for 15 seconds or 20 seconds or whatever it is,